Some people refer to having veneers or crowns on their front teeth as a smile makeover, but in reality, it's a little bit more complex than that. So what is a smile makeover? Who needs it? What are the steps required to get a nice smile? And how can we use digital dentistry to make sure that the result are nicer, more predictable, and safer? Let me share with you a clinical situations that showcase what we do for patients who want a smile makeover and how I am using digital dentistry to ensure that every single step has been verified. So the final outcome is exactly or even better than what the patient expects. My name is Dr. Obeid. I'm a board certified prosthodontist and I practice in Chevy Chase, Maryland.
Smile makeover, when it's needed, will not only improve your smile, but it will enhance your overall appearance, boost your confidence, and project a picture of health. Smile makeover can be achieved with dental implants when teeth extractions are needed, such as this example. When you have large spaces between the teeth, smile makeover can be achieved with porcelain crowns or porcelain veneers. Patients with discolored teeth are prime candidates for smile makeover, and that can be done with conservative porcelain veneer procedures. Kids with missing teeth or malformed teeth can also be a candidate for a smile makeover. That can be done with combinations of orthodontics and some other dental procedures like implants or non-invasive dental techniques. We are utilizing no preparation veneers for kids who are growing, and that is showing to have a great result. Smile makeover can also be accomplished with simple teeth whitening. Just simply make an impression, send the patients home with whitening tray, let them do whitening for 1 hour a day, and the result can be very impressive. Having access to recent innovations in digital dentistry and having an in-house digital designer beside our master technician and our years of experience are all factors that are making the process of smile makeover and the result more predictable with impressive happiness that the patients get at the end of the procedures. Let's run through an example and show you how we're using the advantage of digital dentistry to provide patients with the smile makeover that they want. When the patients come in, the first thing we do is we'll take a look. We do our clinical exam and clinical assessments, and then from there, we will go ahead and make the first step in the process, and that's doing an emergency impression. That beautiful impressions will be the first step in our diagnostic procedures, and that's followed by doing a full digital mock-up. That mock-up will give us a great idea of how we will like the final crowns to be, but the problem's always been, how do you take someone from this stage to the final stage? And that's where this new advancements in all these different digital procedures are helping us. So from here, from the stage of the digital design, we go ahead and we 3D print a projected models of how we would like the temporaries to be. These temporaries are single unit. We used to make the temporary in the old days in one unit, one single block. That really did not give us a great idea of how the final is gonna look like, okay? And by doing the temporary in single crowns, we are ensuring that you can still floss between your teeth and the health of the surrounding tissue. So when the time comes for the final cementation, there will be no bleeding and the result will be amazing. So when we get this first printed temporaries, go ahead and make sure that they fit. And then from there, we go ahead, we prep the teeth, and then we put the first set of temporary. We'll test them. We'll make sure that the patients like them. We go through all the aesthetic exam. When the patients like that, then we go ahead and make a digital impression with the temporary in place. And then we ask our lab technician to work with that and duplicate that. We already have a previous digital library of what we interject the final one to be. We can merge these study together, and then the final result is a happy patients with the smile that they always wanted, the smile that they tested it in a temporary, and we couldn't do that predictably without having digital dentistry available for us. Every patients who finish their procedures, I like to give them a night guard to make sure that they protect the teeth, protect their investments, and protect their smile. So digital dentistry allow us to have a smile makeover in more predictable and a nicer way. I hope I gave you enough information about what we can do with procedures and with digital dentistry to improve the final result of our needed smile makeover. Thank you.